as you're working on an embroidery project, I want you to be really conscious of making sure that your fabric is really nice and tight in the hoop. Because as you stitch along with a pattern, just the pressure of stitching can cause your fabric to become a little bit looser than we'd like. So each time you pick your piece up to work on it, and also every so often whilst you're working on it, I just want you to go around and give it a tighten. I can see that the fabric has gone a little bit out of shape over here and down here. So all you need to do is just go around, do that standard tightening like I showed you when we first dress our hoop. So just go around your work, around your hoop, gently pulling the fabric to the underside, and then give it another little tighten at the closure. And then you can start stitching again, and it'll be so much easier to stitch and also way more enjoyable. So keep doing that all throughout when you're working on a pattern.